In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a combination exercise, which is a squat on a Bosu ball with a front raise as well. So not only are you working the muscles of your lower body in the squat, you're also going to be working the fronts of your shoulders when you're doing your front raise. So firstly, let me just show you what a front raise looks like. So I've got these two dumbbells here. Now with the front raise, what you're going to do is you're going to have your knuckles pointing down. From here, you're going to stand up nice and straight and bring the dumbbells away from your body. So completely straight with the dumbbells, slight bend in the elbows, and from there, now we're going to put that into our squat movement. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand on the rounded part of the Bosu ball, get your feet narrower than hip width apart. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to squat down first. So when you squat, I want you to bring your bum to the back of the room. So glutes come back. Once you then come to the finale of the squat, so you're at the bottom of your squat, you're then going to come up and back down and then return back to your starting position at the top. So let me show you what that looks like side on. So again, finding the position where we're just narrower than hip width apart. Both of the feet are pointed out slightly. And what you've got is you've got that balance and proprioception to deal with when you're on the Bosu ball. So it's harder than doing this when you're just standing up. And that would be one of the reasons why you would give this to someone as a personal trainer, for that additional balance. Now think about your center of gravity when you come down into the squat, and how that changes when we then do the front raise. So once you come up, you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. You've got a lot of proprioception and balance that your core, your ankles, hips and knees have to deal with, as well as working the muscles of your lower legs and also front of the shoulder. That's how to do a Bosu ball front raise and squat combination.